Welcome. This is an energizing morning yoga flow to help you conquer the day ahead. Let's begin on our knees, walking the hands forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Feel free to modify here with pillows under the hips or forehead for some extra height, extra support if that feels good. Release, coming to your hands and knees for tabletop position. Dropping the belly on an inhale, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, round, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Back to center, straightening the left leg, tucking the left toes. Gently press out of the left heel. It's almost like you're pressing into a wall. Release. Opposite leg, tucking the right toes here. Again, pressing that heel almost like you're pressing it into a wall. Release, keeping the hips over the knees. Begin to start to walk your hands forward, melting your chest towards the mat for puppy pose. Option to place a block under the forehead for a little more height. Gently release, tucking the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here, one leg at a time, bending one knee, bending the other. Stepping to the top of the mat, inhale, half lift. Exhale, bend the knees if that feels good for your forward fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, left hand slides down your left side. Right hand reaches up and overhead for a side stretch. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, right hand reaches down your right side. Left hand reaches up and over. Inhale, both hands overhead. Exhale, release. And begin to twist side to side. So just throwing your hands side to side here. I know it might feel a little silly. Just let the arms be heavy. Back to center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the right foot back. Inhale, twist. Left hand reaches up. Full breath cycle here. Draw a big circle with the left hand. On an exhale, planting both hands on the mat. Inhale, step to the top of the mat, into your fold, bending the knees, grabbing opposite elbows for ragdoll position. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left foot back. Inhale, twist, right hand reaches up. Full breath cycle with the right hand drawing a big circle. Planting both hands, stepping to the top of the mat. Bending the knees for your folds. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back for high lunge. Inhale, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, open for warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, sink nice and low. On your next inhale, reach the left hand forward. Exhale, reverse warrior, left hand reaches up and over. Exhale, left elbow to the left knee. Inhale, right hand reaches up and over. Release, transitioning on your inhale to high lunge. Plant the hands. Full exhale, sending the hips up for down dog. Inhale, step to the top of the mat. Half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Step the left foot back. Inhale for high lunge. Exhale, open for warrior two. Inhale, reaching the right hand forward. Exhale, reverse warrior, right hand reaches up and over. Planting the right elbow to the right knee. Inhale, left hand reaches up and over. Release. Inhale, transitioning to high lunge. Once again, take your time. Embrace the wiggles and shakes here. Exhale, send the hips up for down dog. Walk it out. Let the head be heavy. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat. Nice flat back for your half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.